The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of 2026. While its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has only recently hit the shelves, rumors and leaks about this next-gen flagship are sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. With promises of groundbreaking camera upgrades, a lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, and a sleek, innovative design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already stealing the spotlight. Predicted release timeline. Samsung has a strong track record of unveiling its Galaxy S Ultra series in January, with sales commencing in February. If the company sticks to its usual schedule, we can expect the Galaxy S26 Ultra to debut on January 21, 2026, with official sales beginning on February 4, 2026. However, these dates are subject to change as the launch approaches. Price expectations: premium as always. The Galaxy S Ultra lineup has consistently been positioned as a premium flagship series, and the S26 Ultra is no exception. Although the official pricing details remain under wraps, early predictions place the base model, 256GB storage, at approximately Indian rupee 129,999 in India, consistent with its predecessors. Cutting-edge camera enhancements. Samsung is expected to retain the quad-camera setup for the S26 Ultra while introducing enhancements that elevate overall image quality. Here's what's rumored so far. 200MP primary sensor for unparalleled clarity. 50MP ultrawide camera to capture expansive views. 50MP 5x zoom lens for detailed close-ups. 10MP 3x zoom lens for flexible photography. The 12MP front camera is likely to return, but early rumors hint at an under-display selfie camera, potentially eliminating the punch-hole cutout and creating a seamless display experience. Design and display pushing boundaries. Building on the flat-sided design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra may include a fully seamless 6.9-inch AMOLED display, thanks to the rumored under-display selfie camera. Additional display features could include brighter, more efficient materials for vivid visuals, reduced reflections for a sharper viewing experience, a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits for superior outdoor visibility. Anticipated specifications. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to boast processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, built on a 3nm process. RAM, 12GB for smooth multitasking. Battery, 5000 mAh with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging. Storage options, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB variants. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. Software and longevity. The S26 Ultra will run on One UI 8 over Android 16, featuring cutting-edge AI enhancements. With 7 years of software updates, this smartphone is set to remain a top contender in the Android ecosystem until 2033.